Hi guys, in this video you will learn how to create Discord invites. Creating Discord invites is a straightforward process that allows you to generate links for others to join your server. Well, to create an invite, first open your Discord application, then log into your account. After that, navigate to your Discord server and find the channel you want to create the invite for. Then right click on the channel's name and click invite people. You can choose the expiration time, the number of uses, and whether the link should grant temporary membership. Adjust these settings according to your preferences. Once you've configured the invite, click on the generate button. A new invite link will be created. And that's how to create Discord invites. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.